Good morning, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to stop the bot. We're close to our target of $47.85 and we're running 10 contracts. And we had three trades there. So we had a winner, a loser, and then another winner. The bot will continue to work, but we are looking for roughly 50% goal. That's $4,785. That's close enough to the goal. And I'm just going to shut it off. We do have a little bit of movement with the market today, so the bot should do very well all day, but we want to make sure that we stick to our goals, and we're looking for the 50% goal. $5,000 would be 50% of 10 contracts, so 10 contracts that cost $10,000 to trade, and we're looking to make $5,000 of that. So just 50% of whatever your trade is what we're looking for. So we have made that. We're happy. You can go ahead and go about your day now. You don't have to do anything else, and get your 50% and shut down your system and enjoy your life. Where can you make 50% on your money? It's just very, very difficult. A lot of people will be happy with 50% every 2 years, and we're looking for that daily. So it actually works really well. Stay tuned for this video to show how to get started and get signed up today and start running the bot immediately. Have a great day.